Guys, today we're taking a look at the SoundPEATS Air5 Pro. These are their latest wireless earbuds, claiming some pretty bold features, including AI adaptive noise cancellation, LDAC support, and all at a surprisingly wallet-friendly price tag. I've been using them for around a week now, and spoiler alert, they've pretty much impressed me in ways I didn't expect. So if you're in the market for some very cool earbuds, stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, these are the SoundPEATS Air5 Pros, and if you're considering a new set of earbuds that won't break the bank, you've come to the right place. For around 90 of your good old English pounds, you're getting active noise cancellation, high-res audio support, decent mic quality, and a comfortable fit. Sound like a bargain, right? But are they any good? Or are they just another overhyped pair of budget buds? Now, before we get into it, SoundPEATS reached out and asked me to take a look at these Air5 Pros in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get them out of the box and see what we have. So guys, opening up the packaging, and it's all fairly straightforward. You've got the earbuds tucked into the case, a USB-C charging cable. You also get some spare ear tips in different sizes to ensure you get a good seal, and the medium ones come pre-installed. You also get app instructions and, strangely enough, some panda stickers. Now, I'm not sure who asked for these, but if that's what you're into, well, that's all well and good. Now guys, the case is lightweight and compact and will easily slip into your pocket. You've got a USB-C charge port and a multi-point pairing button on the bottom. You've got a magnetic lid. There's no wireless charging here though, but again, at this price point, that's fair enough. Now guys, taking a look at the earbuds themselves, and I've got to say, they feel premium. They're very light. In fact, each earbud comes in at just around 4 grams, and once they're in, I'm going to tell you now, you barely notice them. I mean, I wear earbuds pretty much all day as I'm on a lot of calls and I'm listening to a lot of stuff, and testing these for the past week, and I can honestly say they've never felt uncomfortable or caused any ear fatigue. Now guys, the noise cancellation is actually where these earbuds surprise me. I mean, they're using AI adaptive ANC, and you can set all of that up from within the app. And while I can't verify the up to 55 decibels claim, I can say that they definitely cut down ambient noise. Whether you're on a bus, a train, or just sitting in a noisy place, they do a solid job of dulling down that background hum. And when you need to hear what's going on around you, the transparency mode steps in, and it's not the most natural I've heard, but you know what? It works well enough to catch any announcements or conversations without having to take them out. And let's face it guys, these are earbuds, right? So sound is important, the quality of sound is important. And I've got to say, for the price, they're genuinely impressive. The 10mm drivers are tuned with a bit of extra bass right out of the box, which gives music a really nice punchy feel, but the mids and highs hold up really nicely. I mean, I would say that, I know it's a bold claim, but for me, these sound better than my AirPods Pro. I mean, the vocals are clear and there's a distinctively wide soundstage, which is pretty surprising for earbuds in this price bracket. I mean, I would go as far as to say these sound better than my AirPods Pro, but that is a bold claim and it's to my ears. But those AirPods 2 Pros, whatever you want to call them, they cost me £249 when I bought them. And these bad boys really are £90 before you get any discount. So quite frankly, these sound very good for their money. Now, if you're an Android user, you can listen to LDAC content, but sadly for us iPhone users, we're never going to experience that. When it comes to call quality, each bud packs 3 microphones, and the AI-powered noise reduction does a respectable job of cutting out that background chatter. I tested them in different noisy environments, and whilst the voice quality isn't brilliant, I can tell you now that they do outperform some of the more expensive models I've tried, like maybe one of them that I might have just mentioned. But sadly, there doesn't appear to be any in-ear sensors, which I do like, as I hate taking earbuds out for something just to find that the content keeps playing. And with no wireless charging, you're always going to have to plug these in to charge. But when it comes to battery life, you're looking at around 7.5 hours per charge. And with the case, you're going to get about 37 hours total. So, you're getting a respectable battery life out of these things to enable you to not have to charge them so much. Now, if you're switching on that LDAC codec, you're going to probably get about half of that, as you do need a few more horses to drive that codec. But with a 2-hour charge time and the amount of charge that you get from them, plugging them in is no big deal. Now guys, as with pretty much all of these earbuds, controls are capacitive, right? They're taps and squeezes and what have you, right? And they can be a little bit hit and miss at times, but they are there, and you can pretty much control everything right from the earbuds, or more conveniently from the app. Yes, of course, there's an app, right? And from that app, you can customize the controls. You can set up listening profiles. You can also adjust EQ settings and pick out whatever settings that you want to from those profiles, or configure them yourselves. And guys, you can check battery life and switch on and off the ANC modes. And of course, if you want to, you can update the firmware of these earbuds, and actually a whole lot more. So guys, there you have it. The SoundPEATS Air5 Pro might be the best value for money wireless earbuds out right now. Great ANC, strong sound, LDAC support if you've got the right device for that, and a solid battery life. And you know what, although there's no wireless charging or in-ear sensors, the performance and the cost make these a solid choice. And guys, right now, at the time of this video going live, like I said, you can pick these bad boys up for around £90. I'll leave any product links and any discounts in the description. And if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And guys, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to SoundPEATS for sending me these very cool earbuds to review. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.